welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make bonda using rice flour. This is a very delicious snack that you can thoroughly enjoy during this rainy season. This is a very easy and an instant recipe, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of rice flour, 2 tablespoons of maida. You can substitute maida with wheat flour, 1 tablespoon of rava or suji, half cup of thick curd, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of chili powder, quarter teaspoon of baking soda, 1 onion very finely chopped, 1 green chili chopped, few coriander leaves chopped, and 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger. Give all the ingredients a good mix. Then start to add little water at a time and mix it well. We are looking for a thick consistency batter, so add water accordingly. Now we have the perfect consistency. Keep this ready and let's start to make the rice flour bonda. Heat sufficient amount of oil in an iron pot. When the oil is nice and hot, pull out a small portion of the batter using your hand and add it directly to the oil. Likewise, add few bondas. Make sure not to overcrowd. Let the bondas fry in medium flame for 2 minutes. Then flip sides and cook for another 2 minutes until all the sides are crispy and golden brown. Now the rice flour bondas are well cooked and ready, so let's now remove from the oil. Now our crispy rice flour bondas are ready. Serve it nice and hot with some chutney and a cup of tea and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and an instant recipe. So do try this rice flour bonda recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.